Okay, here is we have to print how many wrong, how many data that is number of wrong classification 就是分错几个 Okay. So this is for testing. If you want to know how many predict wrong error for train, then you can put the train. Then you can print for train. Then it will be Y predict train. Yeah, and with the Y train. Y train not equal the Y predict train. How many? Oh, this is for 287 is a lot. So we will use the F1 label print. Okay, we do the training first. F1 4. Okay, this we have to use the F1 score. And true means originally the answer for train. And the predict is for Y predict train. Also, we can find it for testing. It's for Y test and Y predict. If you are worried that will train and test you will forget, you can transfer here. 如果你担心这边把改成 test， 这样就比较不会错。你这边就可以改成 predict test。答案是一样的，就是比较不会搞错，就是不要只有 predict 跟进去。在哪？let me see。哦，要跟他讲他的 weight， 他的 weight average weighting。Okay, so the answer, the result is F1 score for training is 0.398, but for testing is 0.3448. So the less. But I think it's the progress of the test, the data, not the progress of this methodology. 好，这个 SVM 我们已经教完了，交给你看一下吗？你看一下，因为我要公布这次作业，所以要让你做一下。之前我带你做嘛，但是你要做自己的报告。I think you have to after do your final project, so you have to know how to do it. 看好了吗 ？Finished? Okay, so I use it. This is Python here. We use the Titanic data set. 开始时间 the deadline is next week. Okay, next week. Okay, if you have any questions, you can let me know. 就是同学们可以 line 或者是寄信给我。 Okay, this is, I think something have to change. This is, okay. 这个改成0.8，其他的都 default. What I say to print. Task accuracy misclassify samples, training accuracy, something like that. This is the training data. Okay. Okay, finished. Then we will move to another algorithm. So I want to stop recording.